at you. You know they with your 2 children. One self not be your own. Your first son is not your biological child. Don't let me talk. Your first son is not your biological child. You and I know. It has been difficult to bring your child abroad because your first son, the son you think is yours, is not your biological child. Guys, what are we hearing? What is wrong with this man? What are we hearing? This stupid idiot, the zoo man, just said, Damien just repeated class. Did I hear that right? Anyway, frustrated people, wounded lion. Damien, yes. You are still in your first class.
I'm still literally in school. School is not even over yet.
Oh, devil. Hey, devil, we always make mistake. He said you repeated class.
He said I just repeated class.
Hey.
I did not. No, because I'm confused. This is the one going to my school.
Oh, whoa. He said they just repeated class. That was with me.
Do you know what is even weird? Like, who told him that? Like,
the school is not over.
Not even that the school is not over. Who does he have contact with that is telling him about it? How would he know?
Yeah, but the school has not ended.
The school has not even ended, yeah.
First class has not ended.
But how would he even get that information? Even if... How? Who would tell him that? That is how you know somebody came up with something.
Liar!
Yeah.
Hey! Michelle? Eliab said Damien just repeated class.
How is that possible?
When school is not yet.
He's just looking for information.
He's just looking for what to say. Just, those things are too small things. There are obvious lies you are putting out there. I'm not coming here to be defended. You are too small. You are not at peace. Now you collected from us, yet you are more worried. You collected from us, yet you are not still behaving as a big person. The same winner takes it all. You are normally right now, the winner, and you are supposed to be feeling big. Even when I am crying, you will walk past me. You know, you the booger, you will not mind me. Be a man for a change. You want to start saga with me. I cannot do saga with you because I don't do saga with stupid people. If I want to do saga with you earlier, let anybody bring something for you and I to do competition. Let's start competing. Let's start debating. Maybe debation, something like that. Let's start presentations. Let's start presentation. Not all this one. Bring your degree, I bring my degree. Bring what you got, I bring what I got. Bring your children, I bring my children. Look at you. You know they with your 2 children. One self not be your own. Your first son is not your biological child. Don't let me talk. Your first son is not your biological child. You and I know. It has been difficult to bring your child abroad because your first son, the son you think is yours, is not your biological child. But I don't want to do this with you, Eliab. You are too small. You are too small. I have a lot of things to speak. Don't throw mouth to my kids.
It's okay. Just leave him.
Don't throw mouth to my kids again, Eliab. You have left. Be there. Don't throw mouth to my kids. What about your younger sister, Abigail? The child she's having now, is it for the man she's with?
Because we don't want you talking about us. So
please don't talk about us.
Mommy, we also not talk about, like, it does not even make sense.
Does not make sense at all. What is wrong with you? Can you not mind your business and stay on your lane?
Don't start it.
Please don't start it.
Yeah.
Don't start it. I'm trying to keep quiet. Don't start it. It is just between you and I. Stop pointing fingers at my kids. Damien is still in the first class. We went to school last time. They are still in school. School has not ended. It's July. Till July, you will know if a child is repeating. September, they will repeat. If anybody is repeating class, by September, That is when they will repeat. And anybody can change school. Anybody can decide, oh, this thing I started, oh, it's not good enough. You change. If you're not changing, you stay. If you're not staying, you change. It's your life. But we are still in the same season. Isn't this the last semester you guys are doing right now, right?
Yeah.
Hello. What's others? What? Eliab, have peace. Have peace, okay? Have peace. Because see Ruth, you're not there with your mama, you're not there with you. You're the only daughter. The only child you have is Ruth. The only child you have is Ruth. Don't let me come out and talk. Oh. Don't let me come and tell the whole world how you not deal. I'm still trying to keep quiet. I don't want to play like the way you are playing. I don't want to saga with you.
It's better.
I cannot saga with my husband. I only came here to expose you. Okay? To expose your bad things you've been doing, that you are horrible. Yes, body they scratch you. Now you don't come out from my life. Now you say I'm an evil woman. Then why can't you let an evil woman be for speaking out loud? I am bad. I understand and I agree. I am bad. I understand. I believe you. You collected everything. I understand. I agree. You have spoken about Michelle. You have brought Deja. You have brought Monachi. Now is Damien. Damien of all people. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Aren't you really ashamed of yourself? You came abroad to be successful. You carry bag. You say you are afraid. Afraid of whom? Do I look like a lion? A weakling always be afraid. Please don't raise that your stupid mouth and your smelly mouth on my son. Oh. Don't you dare it. You that cannot gather family. You are not with the one that they brought into your home. Then you are not with your own daughter. Only one child you have in Nigeria. Neither are you with the one that is here. Are you not supposed to be ashamed? Grow up. You are matured. Stop playing all this game looking at yourself like as if you are 25, 30 years old. You are not. Repent. Grow up. Please. Even Damien is more matured than you. Come on now. Guys, I beg you guys in the name of God. Everything Eliab has been saying on our platform, on his platform, is nothing but trash. It's nothing but, look at him, a full-grown man. He said that his wife now he won't fight. He leaves his wife now, he's fighting he's fighting children. Fatherless children, can't you see who have bipolar? Who have depression? At least I agree that I am pained, as in, yeah, he collected all our money, and I am disappointed at every situation, and it's showing. But for me to start dragging this and dragging that, I feel drag the put for grounds. Abigail's son, when he did with your husband now, is not the man is not the father. She carried Belle, brought a child to the so-called lawyer. Abigail is not the biological son. To let them go and do DNA. What about the father to the first child of Abigail? What about the father?
We don't know to start this.
No, let him not point the finger at you. Enough is enough. This was a major reason why I asked him to go. Because you cannot talk with my children. I'm sick and tired. You cannot bring me down to your level. You cannot bring me down to your level. That I'm keeping quiet doesn't mean that you don't have injury on your body. It's Ikwara. Don't let me open mouth. I don't want to talk. Please leave me alone. Leave my family out of your dirty mouth. You get it? Leave it out of your dirty mouth. Guys, we are still in the same semester. Damien entered the first class this year. That was last year, September. And the school is going to end this year, July. And then they are going to resume the second class by September. That is all I know. Thank you all so much. Eliab is not okay. Whosoever that is believing him, your own risk. Thank you so much. Love is a breath in the twisted. Bye.